Greetings, fellow coupons and shoppers. Today is Friday, August 28th, and this is week 2 of the latest mega sale. I have not done any of the mega sale at all last week or this week, and I probably won't. It's just not for me this week. But the 5 off of 20 produce purchase digital coupon came back again. I did it last week, and I did it again today. And I just want to point out some things. Remember, you got to reach the threshold of $20 after store coupons. For example, I had a store coupon here of $1 off of 2 salad mixes. So my total here was $21.40 something cents, and then that dollar digital came off, which made my net total of $20.40 something cents, and then the $5 came off. But I also want to mention that there's other things besides green leafy stuff and tomatoes, like I got here, and berries back here, that are participating, like these Snap pickles. These are a regular $1.49. They're on a 10 for 10 sale, and they are attaching to that 5 off 20. Likewise, on the weekly digital this week is the Simple Truth cashews and mixed nuts. Those are also participating on the 5 off of 20 now. So a lot of the stuff in the glass cases around the produce area and nuts are participating. I went over where the suja is, and there's the pomegranate stuff in there, Slice Healthy Sodas, Bold House Farms. I scanned a lot of that stuff, and those are all participating. Didn't buy any because none of it was on sale. But anyway, let's keep going. My total was $20, like I said, $20.40 something cents, and then the 5 came off on the 5 off 20. The cashews, like I said, are part of the weekly. They are regular $8.99. This is the big 16-ounce one, and they are $5.99 on the weekly. I picked up 5 of the Kroger cheeses there, 3 shreds and 2 slices. Regular $2.49. They're on the weekly for $1.49. Now the Max Protein bars here, the Kind Protein and Protein Max bars, 1.4 to 2.2 ounce. These are regular $1.89 to $1. These are $2.49 regularly, but they are participating in the 99-cent sale when you buy 5 or more. So that was like $1 something, $1.50 savings on those. I did pick up 5. I'm gonna have one shown here. Likewise, I picked up 5 again of this Greenfield Protein Kit, protein mix or protein kit. Those are regularly $2.49, and they are there's a submit to Ibotta for $2. That thing keeps resetting. I've done this about 4 times now, so the final cost on those are about 49 cents. On over here for a couple BOGO deals, the Sabra hummus is regularly $3.99. It is on the BOGO, so they end up being $2 a piece. Check in the Hormel area for tear pad coupons for $1 off of 2. I did have one. So these are regular $5.49. They are part of the BOGO until September 1st. By the way, the hummus is on BOGO until September 8th, at least at my store. So you're going to submit to Ibotta, and there's no restriction about coupons on Ibotta for $1 off of 2. So these are $5.49 for the 2 of them after the BOGO comes off, and then you're going to deduct $2 for the Ibotta and $1 for the tear pad. These end up being $2.99 for the 2 of them, or $1.50 a piece. And I picked up these hangers again. I was going to wait on doing that, but the hangers here are let's see if I can find them. I think they're regular $4.99, but they're on sale for $2.99 until February 2nd. That's what the tag says. But my store only had a couple more of these white colored, and now they only have black and white. So that's going to be it. Before I pushed the pay button, it was like $80-something, and it came down to $52 before tax, and that's after about $17.50 in coupons came off and $9.48 in BOGOs came off. Submit to Ibotta. I did get $11 back from Ibotta, and that's going to be it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.